Hey guys, how you doing? This is Home with Liberty Graphic Designs. Don't go anywhere. Today we're gonna be cutting a class or a senior 2021 sign today for a graduation. So don't go anywhere. I haven't used the laser in a while, right? Because I moved everything around and everything is ready. The laser's been wired, ready to go. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be cutting a senior 2021 for a graduation this weekend. Today's the 13th, May the 13th, 2021. And that's what I'm gonna be doing. So I'm gonna be cutting out of a piece of plywood. On the video you'll see what it looks like white, but actually what it is I put application tape so the laser doesn't burn it, so it's easier, you know, just for cleanup. That's the reason why you see it white. So that's what we're going to be doing today. It's going to be doing a little bit of engraving, just a little bit, 2 names, and then it's going to cut the word senior and then the 2021. So let's start. So I'm going to turn on the laser. It's gonna be kind of loud, that's why I got it off right now. So you know, compressor and the extractor, all of that is gonna be a little loud. So let me turn everything on. Okay, so the laser is running. As you can probably hear all that noise, so we're ready to go. I already did a couple of tests, make sure that the laser is gonna cut all the way through the wood. So everything is ready to go. I'm gonna get the camera close so you guys can see while it's engraving and cutting. It's gonna go by really fast. It doesn't have to do a lot. So the image is only 14 inches by 8 inches, so it's not that big, it's very small. And there's not a lot to be, you know, there's just not a lot to be cut, so it should go by really fast. So let me close this, bring the camera in closer so you guys can see. Okay, so everything is done. Again, I turned the laser off, you know, because of the noise that it creates, and you won't be able to hear me. So there you go. Like I said, it was a small piece. It's not that big. The customer is actually they're gonna paint this. So the only thing that's gonna be engraved is, again, it's going to be that where it says love to me, and then the name of the person that's graduating, Naya. So all I gotta do is remove this application tape, and if you ask me, I think this will look a lot better, but they want to paint it, so I don't know. I just work here. But I think the wood, if I was to do a finish on the wood, it'll look really nice. But they just wanna paint it. So okay, so the girl that I'm cutting this for, she's very creative. So more than likely she's gonna put some glitter or something on this. I'm pretty sure she's gonna make it look real nice. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna ask her to send me a picture, and then I'll post it on Instagram so you guys can see it. Once it's finished, because I'm not gonna see it once it's finished, again, because You know, I'm just gonna give it to her. She's gonna do the painting. Then I put masking tape in the back as well, because again, I don't want to see how it's all burnt on the sides. I didn't want that to go into the wood. Like in the back, I don't care, right? It doesn't matter. But the front, I didn't want the front to get burned. So I'm just removing the tape just so you guys can see what it looks like. And again, you know, the wood finish, I like it. Once I put a finish on it, it'll look real nice. But again, I know I keep repeating myself. They're gonna paint it, and what are they gonna put on it? I have no idea. I can tell you that more than likely they're gonna put some glitter or something on this. And then this right here, let me move this out of the way. This right here is the actual diploma. Let me just remove this tape. See, if you notice how it looks all burnt, that's the reason why I put the tape in there. Because if I wanted to put a stain on it, if it's burnt, it's not going to show. So this right here is actually going to look kind of 3D because it's going to go right there. See that? So it's going to look pretty cool, especially once they paint it. It's going to look real nice. I know she's going to be mad because she's going to be like, how am I going to glue this small little bitty thing? And the same thing with the word senior. This one is kind of flimsy. So there you go, guys. That's it for this video. Let me hold this before I drop it and break it. So that's it, guys. That's it for this video. You know, I think it looks pretty cool. Once it's painted, it'll look amazing. I think it's gonna look real good. Me, I would have left it natural like that, but hey, I just work here. So thank you for watching, guys. That was it for this video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions about, you know, laser cutting, please drop a line in the comments below. If you guys would like to order one of these, you know, without the name, without this names right here, just let me know. I'll probably post some of these on Etsy, just in case if somebody wants to, you know, order one. Pretty cool, very nice. So yeah, thank you, guys. It was a pleasure like always. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe and ding the bell so you're notified when I upload new videos. You don't have to hit the bell if you don't want to be notified, but please consider subscribing. I appreciate that a lot if you do subscribe to this channel. Thank you, and I will catch you on the next one. God bless you, and I will see you later. Bye bye now.